From the Kalayan West,
Kalayan is
Kalayan East. Kapitana, I know you enjoyed your being with a group of your athletes crossing the sea in coming to Ballesteros. My
Wednesday.
question, Kapitana, is how did you find, a simple impression will do a lot. The conduct of the cast day right here at Ballesteros, Cagayan. Kapitana, I forgot the family name, Kapitana.
Tugade.
Ah?
Tugade, sir.
Tugade, Kapitana Tugade, okay? Ma'am?
Okay naman, sir.
Aha.
Okay. Accommodating naman tong mga tiga Ballesteros, sir. And then, kung kaming pinag-uusapan, kawa ng Diyos, panalo naman kami sa
Nice.
volleyball.
Nice to know.
Yes, sir. Sa girls.
Girls,
Yes, sir. Tapos,
champion na po ang
for
Kalayan.
tomorrow.
For tomorrow. So you will be fighting out for the championship.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. And then, sa boys,
Boys division.
coach, ano yung
Yeah, waiting
kuha
na ata ang Kalayan din.
sa kuha natin, standing ng ano natin
How about the boys division? Sa boys division, sir.
for second.
Okay.
Kasi kahit marunong sila,
So I have to congratulate you, Kapitana, and Sir, for putting up a good fight in this Casdea 2010. Now, aside from the athletic activities, in general, ma'am, your personal impression of how your accommodation and what you call it during your short stay here at Ballesteros Cagayan. Si Kapitana Tugade, please.
Sa accommodation dito sa here in Ballesteros.
Yes.
Okay.
For how many nights na po kayo rito? This will be your third night?
Yes.
Okay. During those moments, those periods that you were here, among the confines of the Ballesterians, how did you feel it?
It's okay, happy. Kasi accommodating naman ang mga Ballesteros. And then, pag kami ang lumalaban, kumakampi sa amin ang mga taga Ballesteros.
Isusumbo ko sa Ballesteros yan.
Totoo yan.
Okay, and it's probably they have seen na
kaya
the prowess is there with our athletes coming all the way from Calayan, okay?
Yes,
That's a very good impression. Ma'am, do you have any parting words for our listeners and viewers? Okay, so you hope to be back here if Casdea shall be held again this coming year sa
Coming year,
Ballesteros.
God permits.
Please do come. I am now extending my warmest
And
invitation.
Yes, sir. And hoping na not only volleyball game but also other events.
How many events nga pala ang pinarticipate ninyo, sir?
Isa lang,
Volleyball.
sir, volleyball.
Okay, so next time siguro, you can compete in the other events, okay?
Yes, sir.
Kapitana, see to it that next time, ha? Oh,
Yes,
it's a promise, and I'll be hanging on your promise, Kapitana, okay? Let me talk to the coach of yung
But,
Coach,
sir, and then our designate supervisor, sir.
I know him. Kaya lang hindi raw ko bagong dating. Coach, medyo maganda yung mga laro ng mga manlalaro natin kanina, both in both boys and girls volleyball. Ano ba sikreto ninyo?
training ko,
Training?
at saka yung mga technique sa pagba-volleyball, at saka disiplina sa mga players.
So we have seen the way how they played a while ago na talagang nandun na yung spirit of discipline and everything. The skills were properly developed. So we must have to extend our thanks to you, sir. Sir Jimmy
Baloloy.
Baluyot? Baloloy. Sir Jimmy, you have shown us a very nice coaching job, and we do hope that next year you will come again with more athletes.
Yes,
Okay?
hopefully.
Hopefully. And my anong idea naman po natin sa supposing magbibigay kayo ng suggestion?
Titingnan ko lang bukas kung talagang yung mga players ng Santo Niño kasi matataas. I-verify ko lang sa screening committee kung talagang pupil sila ng Santo Niño.
It's your right. Karapatan po natin yun, no? To check on the credibility and the eligibility of every player. Lalo na kung very suspicious, no?
Oo.
So, wala pong problema dyan. It's your privilege and it's your right.
Susubukan lang.
Okay, susubukan. Okay, and sabi ni Kapitana, she promised na magdadala na tayo ng mas maraming athletes dito.
Hopefully.
Come, hopefully, okay?
Yes,
We will see
saka-
players not only in volleyball. Oh.
Kung magtutuloy ang suporta ng LGU Calayan kasi pagparito ng mga bata,